Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, May the 28th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local market is set to open strongly with ASX futures up 0.6%. Global shares rose on signs of easing trade tensions while longer-dated US Treasury yields fell. Firmer US consumer confidence data also helped buoy US investor sentiment, with Wall Street's main indices rallying after a three-day weekend. All 11 major sectors of the S&P 500 advanced, with consumer discretionary and tech shares leading the gainers. Strength in the AI-related Mag 7 group of momentum stocks putting the tech-laden Nasdaq out in front. Chipmaker Nvidia is due to report its quarterly results tomorrow, with expectations it will post a 43% jump in earnings per share. Temu parent PDD Holdings fell heavily after reporting a 47% fall in first quarter profit and missing quarterly revenue estimates. Well, US consumer confidence improved in May, bouncing back after deteriorating for 5 straight months, in a sign that Americans are less concerned about the impact of tariffs. Meanwhile, new orders for US manufactured capital goods plunged in April, with orders for durable goods ranging from toasters to aircraft dropping 6.3% last month. And FOMC member Thomas Barkin has said elevated uncertainty has led businesses to stop hiring and hold off on future investment decisions, saying they do think there's light at the end of the tunnel, that there will be some certainty, whether it's the tax bill or some of the trade terms, but I think they're just waiting it out. Well, US Treasury yields fell as concerns over rising global government debt supply were partly eased by expectations that Japan could issue less longer-dated debt, the yield on the US 10-year note falling around 8 basis points to 4.42%, while Treasury sold $69 billion in 2-year notes, which was well received. And the US dollar has strengthened, with the yen coming under pressure from a sharp fall in Japan's longer-dated bond yields, while the greenback was boosted by improved US consumer confidence. The Aussie dollar is down to 64.5 US cents. And Bitcoin is trading just under 109,000 US dollars. Well, commodities are lower across the board, with oil prices pressured by concerns of a supply glut after Iranian and US trade delegations made progress in their talks, and on expectations that OPEC Plus will decide to increase output at a meeting later this week. Brent crude futures down 1% at $64 a barrel. Copper has fallen 2%, iron ore down around 1.5% at $96 a tonne, and gold has eased on rising risk appetite, spot gold down 1% to $3,300 an ounce. Locally today, we get the latest read on inflation with April's Consumer Price Index. On the corporate calendar, Goodman Group is due to report quarterly results, while Web Travel also set to deliver full-year results, and Fisher & Paykel Healthcare and Infratil are also reporting. That is your day ahead. See you again tomorrow.